Our mini projector Star202, we have a very special function, the wired connection. Firstly, let's go to the remote control. There's a source button, enter. Okay, and we can see there's wired screen. Okay, enter. And here's the page. Right now we find a USB cable for iPhone. The USB to connect to the interface, and this side you connect an iPhone. This is iPhone 11. Turn on the iPhone, and in trust, choose trust. Enter your password. Here it is. Very convenient. You can get the same screen in 1 second and get any screen as you want. The Star202 mini projector also can get the same screen with the Android mobile device. Right now, go to the remote control, see the source button, enter. And you will see this page, wired screen, enter. And please go to your web browser and scan this code. Scan it, and it will guide you download an app. Okay, install it. Cast. Okay, done. Okay, enter your password. Open it. And next, find your charging cable for this is Type-C. Find the charging cable that fits your mobile phone. For Android device is Type-C. And yes. Approve. See, we get the same screen very conveniently. But the thing is, if you use the Android device, you can get the same screen, but you cannot get the voice. The voice is still from the mobile phone. If for iPhone connection, then you will get the same screen and the voice together.